Very good. Today we shall read First Flight, Chapter 9. Madam Rides the Bus. I am Raj Kishore. We will now read this chapter, this very good story of a little girl, very poor girl. She was standing on the door. Normally in the village they are standing on the door and looking at the site outside. She was looking at the bus and she had a deep desire that she would travel in the bus, but she had no money. So however much difficulty, she saved money for the ticket to and fro 60 paisa. She saved too much difficulty. Then one day she traveled by the bus and returned back. They visited the sites that has been written in the book. Very simple story. Simple listen, you will understand and enjoy the story. What is the feeling of a small girl? There was a great girl named Baliami Mai, who was called Bhali for short. Bhali her name is. The name of the writer also Bhali Karna. The name of the chapter is Madam Writes the Bus. He refers to the girl, little girl, as Madam. We call Madam them. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. Only 8 years old. This small child. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway of her house, watching what was happening in the street outside. She was watching what was happening in the street outside. There are no playmates of her own age on her street, and this was about all she had to do. So, no classmate, playmate of her age in the street. So only she was able to watch outside, see outside. Normally, girls do this. Boys move outside. They stand at the doorstep and watch outside. But for Bhali, standing at the front door was very bit enjoyable, as many of the elaborate games other children played. So watching the games children played, watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. She had many experiences of the street, what is happening in the street. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that travelled between her village and the nearest town. She was always looking at the bus which was travelling from her village to the town. It passed through her street each hour, once going to the town and once coming back. It is coming 1 hour and coming and returning another hour. The sight of the bus filled each time with new set of passengers was a source of unending joy for Bhali. It was a source of joy. Always new passengers were going, new passengers were coming. Day after day she watched the bus, and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head and grew there. Gradually she was looking at the bus and desired, wish came. She wanted to ride the bus, even if just once. Even for once, she wanted to ride the bus. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. Gradually, the wish became so strong that she wanted to fulfill it. Bhali would stare wishfully at the people who got on off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. When the bus stopped at the street corner, she would watch the people. तो सब लोगों को देख रहा था, जो पैसेंजर आ रहे थे, जा रहे थे, सबको देख रहा था, वॉच कर रहा था. उनके मन में ख्याल आया कि एक बार वो बस में ट्रैवल करे. देयर फेसेस वुड किंडल हर लॉगिंग्स, ड्रीम्स एंड होप्स. जो लोग बस में जा रहे थे, आ रहे थे, उनका जो ड्रीम था, सपना था, वो खुशी से जगमा रहे थे. इफ वन ऑफ हर फ्रेंड्स हैपन टू राइड द बस एंड ट्राइड टू डिस्क्राइब द साइड्स ऑफ द टाउन टू हर, कोई भी उसका साथी गांव जा रहा था, फ्रेंड टाउन जा रहा था, उसका स्क्रीन डिस्क्राइब कर रहा था, उसको अच्छा लगा था. Bhali would be too jealous to listen and to shout in English, proud, proud. Bhali would be too jealous. वो अपने हम जैसे जेलस होते हैं लड़की लोग आपस में, एक लड़की दूसरे लड़के को जेलसी होता है, फीलिंग होता है बच्चे में, वो जा रहा है, मैं नहीं जा पा रहा हूँ. इसलिए neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word, but they used it often as a slang expression of disapproval. लेकिन कोई समझ नहीं पा रहा था क्या बोल रही थी. Over many days and months, Bhali listened carefully to conversation between the neighbors and people who regularly used the bus, and she also asked a few discreet questions here and there. बहुत दिन तक वो जो आ रहे थे, जा रहे थे, बात कर रहे थे, सुन रहा था, कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा था. This way she picked up various small details about the bus journey. बातचीत करके उसको कुछ पता चल गया बस जर्नी के बारे में. The town was 6 miles from her village. टाउन गाँव से 6 माइल दूर था. The fare was 30 पैसा वन वे. एक तरह का किराया था 30 पैसा. Which is almost nothing at all. बहुत कुछ नहीं था. She had one well-dressed man say, but to Bhali, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to the next, it seemed a fortune. But Bhali के लिए fortune था, बहुत बड़ा था. बहुत दिन से पैसा नहीं देखा था. On reaching the trip to the town took 45 minutes. Town पहुंचने के 45 minutes लगता था. It seemed a fortune. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed on her seat and paid another 30 paisa, सो रिटर्न होम ऑन द सेम बस। अगर बस में जाएगी और फिर से 30 पैसे दे देगी तो उसी बस में वापस आ जाएगी। दिस मीन दैट शी कुड टेक द 1 o'clock आफ्टरनून बस, रीच द टाउन एट 1:45। 1 बजे वाला बस पकड़ लेगी और 1:45 में पहुंच जाएगी एंड बी बैक होम बाई अबाउट 2:45। ऐसे 2:45 में घर पे पहुंच जाएगी। ऑन एंड ऑन वेंट हर थॉट्स एज शी कैलकुलेटेड एंड रिकैलकुलेटेड, प्लान एंड रिप्लान। इस तरह से वो प्लान करने लगी। इतना फर्स्ट पार्ट था। नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम पढ़ेंगे वो कैसे बस में जाए सफ़र किया और कैसे वापस आ गई, बहुत मुश्किल से कैसे पैसा सेव किया। और अगर तुमको अच्छा लगा ये समझ गए तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो। और मेरा और भी एक चैनल है जय गुरु एजुकेशन, उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कर दो। और जो इसमें कुछ डाउट है तो कमेंट्स करो, फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर दो, बेल बटन में प्रेस कर दो। तो जो भी डाउट्स है मैं अच्छी तरह से समझा दूंगा नेक्स्ट लेसन में। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर टुडे, नेक्स्ट टुमारो।